Hello dear all. I'm making this video on the number of 7 of the trigonometric ratios of grade 8. So here first question is, if sine A is 3 by 5, find the values of cos A, tan A, cot A, sec A and cos A. So I'll go with the process of breaking down of the PBH. So here we do have sine A, that is given here 3 by 5 and its ratio P by H is 3 by 5. So you can write down here perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. And now for this reference angle A, base is not there, that we have to find first. So we use here Pythagoras theorem, h square equal to p square plus b square. Hypotenuse we do have this from 5. Perpendicular we are already given 3. Base we need to find. So you can use here word r. So 5 squared 85 equal to 3 square 9 plus b square. Now bring 9 on the left side for subtracting. So you get there b squared equal to 16. So 16 here I do have, what is it? Check this. Okay, so 16 equal to b square, is it? And 16 is square of 4. So 4 square equal to b square, that is why we get there b equal to 4. Now we have found all three sides, perpendicular, hypotenuse and base. Perpendicular we have 3, hypotenuse we have 5 and base we do have 4. And now we can find any other ratio which we are asked to find. Right. So here serially I go. First I find cos A, then cos A. So cos, it is ratio of base and hypotenuse, so h vector, right? So base we have 4 and hypotenuse we have 5. So well, cos is 1 4 by 5. And I go with the ratio of tan. So tan is ratio of perpendicular and base p by b. And now we have here perpendicular 3 and base is we have from 4. So tan is 3 by 4. And after that we go for a cot. So cot is just reciprocal of tan, is it? So cot A we can write by reciprocating value of tan. So tan A 3 by 4, so reciprocal is 4, which is very simple, is it? Now cot A we did, and our next two ratios, these here we have to find. So they are sec A and cos A. So first I find sec A. So sec is reciprocal of cos, right? So value of cos A we have already found 4 by 5. So we make reciprocal of it, we get there 5 by 5. And then the last one is cosec A, is it? So to find cosec A, so cosec is a reciprocal of sine, is it? And sine ratio we do have already given. So that's 3 by 5. So it's a reciprocal is 5 by 3. So it's done with number A. Now I go with number B. So I erase this. Okay, and now number B. So in question number B, we are given here cos A equal to 12 by 3. Good. So value of cos A is given 12 by 3, and through that we have to find the values of other trigonometric ratios, or remaining 5 trigonometric ratios. So how we go see? So here we do have cos A equal to 12 by 13, is it? So it's base by hypotenuse. So base by hypotenuse 12 by 13. It means what? Base is, therefore base is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. Now we don't have here perpendicular, so that we have to find first, is it? So we use here Pythagoras theorem, h square equal to p square plus b square. Hypotenuse we do have already here with, that is 13. So 13 square. Perpendicular we need to find it. Base, that is 12. So we go 13 square, is it? So 13 square, that is 169. Perpendicular square plus 144. 12 square is 144. And now let's bring that 144 on left side for subtracting. And by doing that we get the 25 equal to p square. And we already know 25 is square number, is square of 5, is it? So we get there p equal to 5. Now we do have all three sides of this right angle triangle, is it? So base we have 12, hypotenuse we have 13, perpendicular we have found 5. Now after that we can find all the ratios which we are asked here to find. Right. So here we are asked to find remaining ratios. So let's go with sine. So first I go with sine. So it's perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular, this we have found 5, and hypotenuse we do have already 13. So sine is done. And after that cos is already there, 12 by 13. Now I go with tan. So tan is the ratio of perpendicular and base. So perpendicular we do have 5 just found, and the base there that's given there 12. Is it? So tan is 5 by 12. And after finding sine plus tan, now we go with the reciprocal ratios. So first I go with cosec. So cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So sine we do have 5 by 13. So if we reciprocate it, we get there 13 divided by 5. And after that we go for sec. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So cos you do have here 12 by 13. So if you make reciprocal of it, you get there 13 divided by 12. And the last one is cot A. So cot, that's reciprocal of tan. And we have here tan, this found 5 by 12. Is it? So if we make reciprocal of it, we get there 12 divided by 5. So this way we have found now here all remaining ratios except cos. So it's done. And now I go with number C. So I was this. Okay. Number C. So in number C, we are given a 15 tan A. Is it? 15 times tan A equal to 8. And so we get the tan A equal to 8 divided by 15. Okay. And tan is the ratio of perpendicular and base. So P by base 8 by 15. Therefore you can have here perpendicular 8, base is 15. Is it? It's taken correspondingly from the right angle triangle. So perpendicular we can say here 8, base we can say here 15. And a hypotenuse is not given, is it? That we have to find by using the Pythagoras theorem. So let's use the Pythagoras theorem. X square equal to p square plus b square. Hypotenuse we need to find it. So let's keep it same. Perpendicular we are already given 8, base we do have 15. So x square equal to 8 square 64, 15 square 225. And now we go for next side to do the remaining thing. So h square is equal to 64 plus 225, that we get there 289. So what is the square root? Is it the square number? So square root of 289 is 17. So let's make here 289 as 17 square. Is it? And as squares are same, so we can say their base is equal. So we can say, or we can find here hypotenuse equal to 17. And after finding hypotenuse 17, we have just found here all three sides of the triangle. Perpendicular, base they were already given, hypotenuse just we have found. See? And now we can find the values of remaining ratios. So I started with the sine. Sine is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. So perpendicular just we are given already 8, and hypotenuse we have found 7. So after finding sine, now I go with cos. So cos is base divided by hypotenuse. So base we do have here 15, hypotenuse just found 17, sine cos we found. And now tan is already given. Tan is already given. And now after that we go for finding the reciprocal ratios. So first I find cosec. Is it? So cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So sine we just have found 8 by 17. So we reciprocate it and we get there 17 divided by 8. And after that we go for finding sec, which is reciprocal of cos. And cos we have just found 15 by 17. So if we reciprocate it, we get the 17 by 15. So sec is also found. And now after that we go for the finding ratio of cot, and cot that's reciprocal of tan. Tan we have been already given 8 by 15, so it's reciprocal. If we get there 15 divided by 8. So this way we have found all remaining 5 ratios when the 15 tan equal to 8 is given. So this way we completed this number 7, all 3 A, B, C. Now for the next number 8, please watch next video.